Hello there, this is a quick video on how to theme a Shopify site. So this basically is a sort of an introduction on how to build your site and mainly around the theming aspects of it. So if after you've created an account, you'll have this dashboard that what I'm looking at here. So in the sort of a top section, you have the home orders, products, customers, analytics. This is more sort of about managing your shop in terms of product inventory and the customers and analyticals and reporting things there. So in the bottom half, you'll have your online store and you'll have your theming, and it's more sort of a theming and content management stuff here. So you have your themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and domain preferences. So for the theming stuff, we need to be concerned about the bottom half here. So so I've created a basic store, right? And when you create a basic store, you will be given a default template, which is called debut. Okay, and so that's what you'll be presented at the beginning. And to quickly view this theme or your store, on the top right hand corner you see view your store. So if you click on that, and you can see the theme live sort of thing. Okay, so so you got like this heading area, and you got this sort of main hero area here, and it's got some panels with some image and text, and you got like different dimensions here. You got three image panels with text, and then you got sort of a collection of products. So these are this sort of basic template. So you can basically sort of change this, and that's what I'm going to show you now. So if I go back, and there are two ways to change your theme. Now, if you're an experienced coder, and you go to the current theme here, and you see it's selected debut. Okay, so so this is the recommended theme, and you can select other themes from here in the theme library, but we won't go into that. So once you've got the theme, you can edit it two ways. You can change the visuals two ways. If you're an experienced coder, then you will go to Actions, and you click on Edit Code, and that will take you to the code, the actual code of your theme. So it'll be you'll have your CSS, and you'll have some aspects of Shopify's own liquid template files. So these are very sort of detailed code that you can change to change your theme. Now, if you're not experienced in coding, then it gives you another option. You can customize it using the page builder, which is the green button. So if I do customize, it will take me to the page builder. Okay, so I'm in the page builder now. So as you can see, when we viewed our site, we saw this section, the heading and the hero section here. So that's what it's showing. It's giving you a preview of our theme. Now on the left hand side, you get all these sections of your theme. So these are the things that you can customize. So the header is linked to the header. As you can see, it's got the menu and these icons there. Okay, so you can, if you look at it, you can change the logo alignment left, right, and you can sort of select images. You can upload image here. So this will replace the logo. So then you can change the width and things, and also you can have some change the aspects of the menu. So I've got home and catalog here, so you can go in and edit the menu, and then you got the announcement bar. If I show announcement bar, it will give you that announcement bar at the top. So that's the header. So you can do that for the image with text overlay, which is the first section. So these are all different sections. So if I wanted to hide that, I just click on the eye icon, so I can hide everything. And so now I've hidden most of the panels, so I can unhide it. So when you hide it and save it, then you will hide it on the actual theme. So if I just do save and go to the live, so as you can see, if I do a refresh, okay, so it's hidden some of these panels now. Okay, so I can unhide them and quickly save. Okay, so these panels you can hide them, and you can also move the order. It's just click and drag, and you can move the order. So I've moved the main sort of hero panel below, so I can move it back. So move it back to the top. So and so also you can go into these, and you can upload images for. So I've got text columns with image. So this section's got 3 images. So I can go in and change the text there. As you can see, the text is aligned with these texts. Okay, so I've got 3 sections there for the 3 image panels there. So that's the level of customization you can do. And if there's also, you can add different sections now. So if you wanted to add a product gallery, then you can say a collection list, and then it will. The collection list is the actual product gallery there. Okay, so I just then. So you can find different panels there, sections, and you can add it and take it away. So you got even a map section there. Okay, so these are sections that come with this template. So other templates, you can have other sections, but if you're a coder, you can add sections and it will appear here. So that's the level of customization you can do. So if so once you've changed here, then you save it and you can come out of it. So I'm not gonna save. Okay, leave page. Okay, so that was the page builder customization. Now, if you're a coder, then you click on actions and you do edit code. Okay, so edit code will take you to it's like the repository of files for your theme. Okay, so and you can click on them and edit. As you can see here, you got the layout, then you got these templates, and then you got these sections, and you got assets. So assets is where all your CSS files are. So the usual way of sort of adding custom CSS is, you'll add a new asset, and it'll be a custom CSS, and you add your particular CSS to there. Okay, so and if you want to add panels to appear in your page builder, then you add sections here. So you click on add and you create a section, and then you give it a name. Okay, so then these sections will be implemented into a template, and then you have a layout, and the liquid the liquid layout is the main template that stitches everything together. So this is quite important, and is advisable not to touch it unless you know what you're doing. So let me talk a little bit about the language that we're using here. The language is it's called Liquid, and it's built on Ruby, so it's similar to Ruby. So if I take an example of, say, I go to a template for the blog, say, so it's got, so this is the code for the template for the blog. Okay, so here I've got a comment there saying the contents of the blog template can be found in this section. So basically you can either write the content for the template here, or you can have a section for it. So this is a normal structure. You write in a section and you put it into your template. So I've got a section for blog template. So if I go to blog template, so if I go down, so in the sections, click on blog template. Okay, so this is the template for the blog. So as you can see here, the template language, it's got those curly brackets and percentage sign, and then you've got these sort of commands there, and so this is saying paginate. So this is obviously having some sort of paginating feature there, and it's got these sort of conditional if statements that will conditionally render some HTML there, and it's also got some for loop here. So this is a blog, so it contains a list of articles that you want to list. So what it's doing here is it's going through each article, and then for each article it's displaying this piece of HTML markup. So that's what it's doing here. So and each template will have some sort of data associated with it, and this is sort of the schema. So this data feeds into the template as well. So that's a bit about the template language. So that's what you need to know if you're going to be theming. So if you're not good at coding, then you use the page builder. If you're a coder, a front-end developer, then you would go into the code and change it here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and see more videos on this.